Experience driving perfection in the 2014 Ram 3500. This four-door, six-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.